Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can elevate your baking and cooking game, the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus? This hand mixer is a versatile tool designed to make mixing tasks a breeze. Equipped with a powerful 220-watt motor, it offers 9 different speed settings, allowing you to easily adjust the mixer's power based on your specific needs. Whether you're gently whipping egg whites or vigorously mixing cookie dough, this hand mixer has you covered. One of the standout features of this mixer is its SmoothStart technology. This unique feature helps to prevent messy splattering by starting off at 3 low mixing speeds. It's a thoughtful addition for those who want to keep their kitchen clean while still achieving perfectly mixed ingredients. The one-step power switch, accompanied by an LED display, makes it easy to choose your desired speed and get started quickly. Another highlight is the extra-long beaters that come with the mixer. These beaters are designed without a center post, which means you won't have to worry about ingredients getting stuck and clogging them. Plus, they are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a piece of cake. The convenient beater eject lever allows for easy removal of the beaters when you're done mixing, so you can switch to a whisk or dough hooks effortlessly. Speaking of versatility, this hand mixer comes with a comprehensive accessory kit. Alongside the extra-long beaters, you'll also find a chef's whisk, dough hooks, and a spatula. This means you can easily switch from mixing batter for a cake to kneading dough for bread. Additionally, it includes an instruction and recipe book to inspire your culinary creations. All of these accessories are neatly stored in a sturdy snap-on case, making it easy to keep everything organized in your kitchen. Now, who is this hand mixer suitable for? The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus is perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned bakers. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with new recipes or simply need a reliable tool for everyday cooking tasks, this mixer is a fantastic companion. It's especially beneficial for anyone who has limited space in their kitchen, as its compact design and storage case mean you can tuck it away easily when not in use. Let's talk about practical use cases. Imagine you're preparing to bake a cake for a special occasion. With this hand mixer, you can quickly whip up your batter, blend frosting, and even knead dough for homemade bread, all with one appliance. Or, if you're in charge of making holiday cookies, the mixer can help you whip up large batches of dough in no time. If you're into making fluffy meringues or light whipped creams, the SmoothStart feature ensures you get there without any mess. In summary, the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer is a powerful, convenient, and versatile kitchen tool that can simplify your cooking and baking tasks. Whether you're a beginner or a culinary pro, this mixer can fit seamlessly into your kitchen routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.